Let's take a look at the record heat in Naples. We had 89 degrees yesterday. This was the warmest January high temperature ever recorded, and those records go back to 1943. In Fort Myers, we shattered the record by 3 degrees, hitting 88. The old record was 85 degrees going back to 2013. This afternoon, we are likely to break records once again. So what's the setup? Well, a easterly wind between 5 and 10 miles per hour will continue, and this morning, that's kicking up a few showers down along the Florida Strait south here of the overseas highway. Some of these are hitting areas from Isla Mirada to Key Largo here early. For our coastline, we're dry. Only thing we're dealing with for that morning commute, a little bit of patchy fog, some overcast skies, and that's about it. Now in Punta Gorda, you can see the fog being reported there officially with 100% humidity. The dew point there at 65. Our sunrise time out at RSW this morning is 7:17, and right now they have an easterly wind at 6 miles per hour. Naples is down to 71. Keep in mind, our average high this time of year is 74, so it is a very, very warm start to our work week. The winds are fairly light in some locations, such as Palmdale and Cape Coral, and it'll be between 5 and 10 here early. We could see gusts as high as 15. We are forecasting a high of 87 today. The record in Fort Myers is 86, so if this forecast verifies, it'll be a third straight day of record-breaking temperatures in Southwest Florida. It's all thanks to this area high pressure, and it's a strong one, and that's keeping the storm system that caused these severe weather and a couple fatalities in Alabama over the weekend to our north, and they're continuing to see these fast-moving showers along this warm front from Mobile Bay all the way up towards Atlanta. A couple of warnings still here early this morning as we've got more thunderstorms now south of Atlanta from Columbus heading towards Macon, as they're not quite done with the severe weather yet. For us, the easterly flow continues, and that's going to kick up a few showers on the East Coast, providing us with partly cloudy skies and more warm temperatures here. We finally start to cool down a little bit as we head through the mid and late parts of the week, but we'll still be sitting in the low 80s even over the weekend. So for today, possible record-breaking heat once again, another hot one. Overnight, we'll dip down to 67 degrees. As we look at that extended forecast, we're going to keep the temperatures warm, as I mentioned, but notice there's no rain chance anywhere in the 7-day forecast. We keep it below 10% all the way through the upcoming weekend, where by Sunday, we'll be sitting at 80 degrees.